Have you ever spent hours learning about AI, yet nothing changes in your day-to-day life? You're not alone. This feeling is common among many eager learners. Today, we will explore why diving into AI feels so productive. But we will also uncover why it often doesn't yield real-world change. This is the official AI Hustle Club, where we break down how to actually use AI to build leverage, not just hype. Let's start with the fundamental concept, learning. Learning makes us feel accomplished. When we acquire new skills, dopamine floods our brains. This gives us a sense of achievement. Now, imagine you learn to code an AI model. You follow guides, complete projects, and feel inspired. It's a rush of confidence, right? But when you finish, you realize your routine hasn't changed. You still face the same everyday tasks. The excitement of learning doesn't instantly translate to action. Next, let's break this down. Learning AI is fascinating. It opens your mind to possibilities. Yet, knowledge alone doesn't lead to doing. Knowledge is just one part. To truly apply AI, you need to integrate it into daily tasks. This requires a step further. You must experiment, implement, and iterate on your learnings. Consider this example. You learned how to build a chatbot. You feel like a tech expert. Yet, if you don't use it in your business, it remains theory. The difference lies in application versus theoretical knowledge. You might know AI concepts, but using them requires practice. Let's summarize. Learning about AI gives an immediate sense of productivity. However, without applying that knowledge, nothing changes. It's crucial to take that next step. Start incorporating AI skills into your life. Experiment with real projects. Engage with communities. Turn knowledge into action. Ready to transform your AI learnings into tangible change? Start today. Apply what you've learned. Explore, create, and innovate. Your journey begins now. If you want practical AI strategies that actually work in the real world, not influencer fantasies, subscribe. We post every week.